The APEC Water System's ROES-UV75-SS water filter system is a top-tier product, engineered and assembled in the United States, ensuring the highest standard of water safety and health. This system is effective in removing up to 99% of impurities, including chlorine, taste, odor, volatile organic compounds, as well as harmful substances such as fluoride, arsenic, lead, nitrates, and heavy metals. The ROES-UV75-SS filter system uses premium long-lasting filters to provide unlimited, clean, refreshing, and superior-tasting water compared to bottled water, making it suitable for both tap water and well water. The unique feature of this system is its continuous ultraviolet sterilization, which destroys up to 99.99% of bacteria, viruses, and cysts, and kills parasites in unchlorinated water, providing extra protection. The system comes equipped with a 100% lead-free designer faucet and John Guest premium-grade tubing and parts, ensuring safe, contamination-free pure water, and it's supported by detailed step-by-step instructions and online installation videos for an easy do-it-yourself experience. With its 20-year history of success, APEC Water Systems is America's #1 rated water filter brand, providing a trouble-free, noise-free system for long-lasting, dependable, pure drinking water.